If you're an adventurer health enthusiast or just someone who wants a reliable timepiece, stick around. We'll give you 5 solid reasons why this watch should be your next purchase. And remember, if you're ready to experience the Pro 3 Ultra for yourself, check out the link in the description below. Let's get started. Let's talk battery life. The Pro 3 Ultra is a champion in this category. With its dual-screen technology, you can get up to 45 days of battery life in essential mode. That's right, 45 days. And when you need the full power of the AMOLED display, you still get a respectable amount of juice. No more constant charging. Built to withstand the toughest conditions, it is military-grade certified. It's dust-proof, shock-proof, and water-resistant up to 5 ATM, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. Whether you're hiking, swimming, or simply tackling your day, this watch can handle it. Your health is a priority, and the Pro 3 Ultra is your personal health coach. It boasts a range of sensors including heart rate monitoring, SpO2 levels, and sleep tracking. With over 100 workout modes, it's your go-to companion for any fitness goal. Beyond fitness, this watch is packed with smart features. It runs on Wear OS by Google, giving you access to a vast ecosystem of apps and customizations. Stay connected with notifications, make payments with NFC, and even control your smart home devices, all from your wrist. The Pro 3 Ultra isn't just about function, it's also about style. With its sleek design and durable build, it's a watch you can wear anywhere. Whether you're dressed up or hitting the trails, it complements your look. 5 compelling reasons to choose the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra. Its incredible battery life, rugged durability, advanced health tracking smart features, and stylish design make it a standout in the smartwatch market. Ready to experience it for yourself? Click the link in the description below to learn more and purchase yours today.